Vincent Cade, also known as Tracer, has been affiliated with the extremists. The first Tracer was a metacriminal on the world of Angor, an other-dimensional duplicate of Earth.
The extremists wiped out Angor in a nuclear explosion, leaving only themselves and a few heroes who fled to Earth. The extremists pursued them, and it was revealed all but one of them had died. And the surviving one, Dreamslayer, used androids of his comrades, including Tracer.
They were deactivated and stored in the Watchtower. Tracer and his android duplicate demonstrated enhanced senses that made him an excellent tracker, with enhanced strength and reflexes, a feral attitude, razor-sharp claws, and enhanced healing.
The second Tracer was a robotic duplicate of the first Tracer, one of many robots created by the inventor Mitch Wacky and on the other dimensional world of Angor, as part of a theme park attraction. After the death of virtually all heroes and criminals on the planet, the evil Dreamslayer used the robot duplicates to recreate his criminal team, the Extremists.
After traveling to Earth, the extremists almost took over the world, before being defeated by the Justice League Europe. The extremist robots were then exhibited in Madame Clouseau's Wax Museum in Paris.
They were later used by Dreamslayer a second time on the island of Kui Kui Kui, and still later as pawns of Twilight in a battle with Supergirl. The Tracer robot had all the powers of the original Tracer, which included great strength, speed, agility, enhanced senses, and animal instinct.
Lord Havoc and the Extremists, a variant version, resides on Earth 8. Originally a soldier who was badly injured trying to desert his post, Vincent Cade's broken body was experimented on by the government.
Cade was given enhanced strength, speed, and senses. He was also forced to endure hours of violent images and subliminal audio telling him to kill.
He was implanted with a chip to be controlled with. Tracer's first mission ended with him trying to kill one of his own teammates.
Just as his masters were about to use the chip to shut him down, Lord Havoc arrived, removed the chip, and offered Tracer a place in his organization.
At Havoc's command, Tracer works as an assassin for hire for government officials, gaining valuable information on them for his master.
Later, he was attacked and badly beaten by Monarch's forces. Team member Bizarra was eventually able to get Tracer strung up by the neck with her lasso.
Only Tracer's enhanced healing ability kept him from dying. Tracer has superhuman strength and speed, claws, healing factor, agility, enhanced senses, and animal instincts. He also wears a set of wrist blades.
Cassandra Cartland, also known as She-Cat, is skilled in martial arts, and she has sharp claws. She is a cat burglar, most notably a rival to Catwoman.
Cassandra meets Selina Kyle at the same orphanage. Cassandra once asked Selina to join her in stealing food from the kitchen. Selina refused, already wanting to do things alone.
Cassandra once again tried to become friends when Selina freed the orphans from the corrupt orphanage. And again, Selina refused.
Cartland grew up bitter and resentful, especially when she discovered Selina was Catwoman and living a life of luxury. How she initially discovered this is unknown. Cassandra trained herself and eventually became She-Cat.
As She-Cat, she managed to do burglaries that rivaled Selina's own and pointed the blame towards Selina. Finally, Selina managed to track down She-Cat and discovered she was Cassandra.
Cassandra actually assisted in the defeat of Catwoman's enemy, Cybercat, and immediately afterwards fought it out with Selina, losing the battle. Selina switched some money for counterfeit currency that Cassandra was using for a payoff, and a mysterious tip-off led to Cassandra's capture, although she escaped by cultivating a guard.
She-Cat returned again, trying to sell a first edition of Jekyll and Hyde, and brought Two-Face back into Selina's life. She assisted Catwoman in the defeat of Two-Face and fought with her again. She lost again.
Selina managed to keep the book and gave it to a police detective named McShane as a taunt.
She-Cat is an accomplished gymnast and martial artist. Her costume is equipped with long claws.